I've been feeling emotional, thinking about you, thinking about you.
Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. Hope you guys are already subscribed, but if not, go ahead and give me a subscribe please. So today I'm going to be doing 2 parts in one. It's going to be a get ready with me and also an install. I'm not going to really walk you guys through this process. I'm just going to let you guys see how I decided to install this hair. But pretty much I am doing a 90 inspired swoop bang style with this hair, and it is all coming from this Cardi B WAP video. You guys, I loved all the colors that she had in her video, and I figured why not do a bold color and do this 90s inspired style. So that's pretty much where this inspiration came from, and I think you guys are gonna love this style as well. I wanted to do something very out of the box, and this is it, you guys. This is pretty much me going outside of my comfort zone, and I encourage you guys to do the same thing. I think color wigs are so cute, and it was so interesting. I had a conversation with my friend, and we just talked about, like, you know, how people perceive you for wearing certain hairstyles, and it's all about how you wear them. If you are not ratchet, or you don't, you know, portray yourself in a certain light, people won't see you in that way. If you're not that type of person, people will not get that vibe from you, and I don't think they will label you as ghetto. But it's all up to you. I think for a long time I was scared to try a lot of colors because I didn't want to be portrayed as such. But you know what? It's 2020 and we done seen a lot of things go wrong. So I'm going to just be myself and try some colors. And you know, this hair thing is actually kind of cool. So yeah, that's some encouragement, you guys. And pretty much I was going to do some baby hairs up on here, but it did not look right, y'all. It looked like, I don't know what. I am cracking myself up just talking about this wig because it was different. It's different. Pretty much this hairline is very dense for me. I cannot get used to it, but you know what? I made it work, you guys. And that's what you got to do sometimes. You got to make some lemonade out of lemons, and that's what I did. I ended up really liking this hair, you guys. I was wishing that this wig was a little better quality. I did get it from Elfin Hair, and it was a 613, and I did the watercolor method. If you guys haven't seen that video, you should go watch it. And that's how I achieved this very vibrant color, only using one product. That's amazing. But yes, that's all I did. I just basically started swooping it over just to get the idea of the hair, and then after that I went with it and I did my style. So I'm gonna let you guys see how I ended up styling it, and then the part 2 is gonna be me talking on camera and doing my get ready with me.
Oh, babe, what can we focus on? What we should do? Tell me the truth, cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be sober if you don't pull me closer. Look me in my eyes and tell me how. I'm hypnotized. I'm hypnotized. I've been feeling delusional, thinking about us, babe. Your body's so beautiful. All I want is your love, can't get enough. Cause I don't wanna see you with somebody else. And I've been feeling lonely in this king-size bed. I'm trying not to worry about the things you say. I ain't got the time, you're always on my mind. Baby, why you playing with my love? I'm trying to be patient with you now. I'll never be so
Okay guys, so I'm still filling out this hairstyle. I'm going to do some light makeup, nothing major. I'm going to be using my Fenty as my base. And yeah, I'll be highlighting a little bit, putting some lipstick on, my little eyelashes from Dodo Lashes. These are my favorite lashes. And that's pretty much it. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I really don't know how I feel about this hairstyle. I wanted to try something different and I thought this color would be really cute. So I wanted to show you guys how it's gonna look. So that's why I decided to do this style. This is not my favorite hair. It sheds a lot, like a lot. And it's starting to get on my nerves how bad it's shedding. So I usually don't use a lot of makeup. I just use a little bit. Probably no more than like probably this much, if ever, because I don't really care to have that much makeup on. I just like it to look like a, you know, like my skin to look complete, but I don't want it to be too dramatic. So I would like to know down below in the comments if you guys would ever try this color, and what are your guys's and what are your thoughts on this color on me. I promise I'm gonna look a little better than this. I'm gonna get cute, you know. So I'm gonna look that tore up. I also do my eyebrows with this soap, this pear soap, and I spray my rose water on it to get it a little tacky, and I wait for it to dry a little bit and then I play with my eyebrows. That's how I normally do it. And this is the Tarte Creaseless concealer, and I love this. I use it underneath my brows and on my face. This is the color Tan Sand. I'm gonna link everything down below so I don't forget, but I could do like a little makeup video, show you guys what I use. This is the Pro Conceal, and it's in the color Warm Honey, and I like to mix the two because the other one is a little light, so I like to mix it up a little bit. I don't have my tweezers up here, but I'm gonna put these lashes on with my hands. You guys gotta forgive me. This is like my first video where I'm like doing makeup and everything, and I still don't have my setup, so I'm kind of like all over the place in the bathroom. So forgive me, please. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of this eyeshadow. This is the Secret of Pharaoh brand, and this is their like natural palette, if you guys can see that. So I think I'm gonna be using maybe this shade right here, and it's between like these shades right here that I'll be using. This little triangle right here. Be using some of those little natural type shades. I'm all over the place. Okay, so let me get my blending brush so I can do that. Let me actually, I don't really have a method here. I'm just applying everything. And so I'm gonna start off with this lighter shade. And when they go on, they look a little darker than in the box. You guys, I don't have a method like I said, so don't laugh at me with my makeup. I'm still like a beginner with all of this. think I'm gonna take this darker color and blend it out in my crease. I'm just slapping these colors on here, y'all. Slapping it on here. But most of the times it ends up looking real cute, so. And I want to go with something more natural because I didn't want it to be too much with this makeup. Obviously, I could, you know, do more with it and play with the color. I could do some fun makeup looks for you guys if you want, but I want to be realistic and show you like how I would wear this outside, and I'm not gonna be looking like, I don't know. I don't want to be looking crazy outside. Probably gonna flip that up a little bit more. Okay, and let me see if I want to do. I might end up going in with my concealer just a tad bit in the middle, just to give it a little. Bring that out a little bit. And y'all, the only way I'm getting away with this right now is because my mom is over here and she's helping me with my babies. That didn't go as planned, but it looks all right. So I'm probably gonna put a little bit of this down here. I don't want to keep bending down, so I'm gonna just take this right here. I might put a little green somewhere, just to have the green somewhere. I might go ahead and do that, but I'm gonna just rushing through this kind of so I can get this done on camera. And I love doing my bottom lashes, you guys. They're so long. It's like my favorite part of my makeup look. So let me wet my sponge. My eyelashes should be pretty much done, so I'm gonna put them on and I will be right back and put my eyelashes on camera. So I'm gonna put my eyelashes on off camera and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have my lashes on. I had to hurry up and like just put them on real quick, just so that I can get started with completing this look. So I'm just gonna bump this a little bit more. I think I turned these off on accident. So now I'm gonna, no, it's fine. Okay, so this is pretty much the complete look. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures. I'm gonna also put my outfit on so you can see what I'm gonna be wearing. And I think I am gonna add just a tad bit of green somewhere. So let me figure that out. Hey guys, so I have my bodysuit on. I'll be showing you guys how it looks completely. But first I wanna put my lipstick on. I think I'm gonna mix my NYX's. I have these Butter Gloss. And let me see what color. I have the Madeline, and Ginger Snap Brisket. So let me put the lighter one on first, since I am going for more of a natural look in my face. I think that's cute. I think I'm also gonna put my white liner on my eyes underneath. Just add a little bit of spice. Not gonna take it all the way across, but just in my corners of my eye. This always makes my eyes water, I don't know why. Also gonna be wearing these little shades. I'm not even going nowhere, y'all. I'm in the house, I'm gonna be taking pictures. I'll be looking cute just to be in the house. I might go to the store. So that might be the only place I go today. So this is pretty much the final look. I'm gonna be taking some pictures to show you guys how it looks and get you guys some full body pictures. But pretty much that's it. Thank you guys so much. Probably have to fix my eyelash. Don't you guys hate that when your makeup is completely done and then you have to fix your eyelash? Like, oh, so annoying. So now I gotta fix my eyelash. This is how I'm gonna be wearing my hair. I decided to put a clip right here, have my eyelashes, my lip gloss. And I got this cute bodysuit from Shein. So I'm gonna be taking some pictures and showing you guys how it came out. I think this is a cute look. I'm still getting used to the color, but I think it's pretty cute. And I think I like it a little bit. I still can't help but to make fun of myself, calling myself a little Oompa Loompa. But it's cute. I did a little 90s hair, 80s, 90s hairstyle. And I got my little glasses I'm gonna be wearing with it. Let me show y'all. Ooh, I'm gonna put this on with it. Okay. Ooh, that's gonna be so cute. Ooh, I can't wait to take some pictures, y'all. Ooh, this is really cute. I'm feeling it. All right, you guys. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like today's video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I enjoyed doing this look. I thought it was cute. Something that I will be trying more often is doing some color, and I will be giving some wigs away, so you don't want to miss out, y'all. I've been debating about this wig, if I want to keep it or should this be my first giveaway, but this wig's just so much. I don't want to give you guys anything that I don't like, so I'm not going to give this wig away. I'm going to just keep it. But I will be doing some coloring wigs and I will be giving some of those away. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. As always, it's a pleasure. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.